So yes, good evening and a very warm welcome. I take immense pleasure to welcome you all for this particular celebration. Zero, as we all know, was invented by India and we take immense pleasure and pride in celebrating that. On the same note, we are here to celebrate yet another zero. I would like to take this opportunity to thank FICC, that is Fullerton India, and Nutesoft Limited for collaborating and joining hands. 12 months, zero SLA. Of course, Nutesoft L1 team and FICC managers deserve a great round of applause. May I please request you all to give them a big hand. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the captain of our ship, that is Mr. Arun Shekhar Aran, our CEO, and FICC's SVP, Mr. Vivek Dhavle. It was because of these two people that we could manage to do that. And of course, with under the leadership of Mr. Rajshekhar Jadhav, our manager support delivery, and his teammates. So we are here to celebrate Zero on a very positive note. May I please request our CEO, Mr. Arun Shekhar Aran, to give his insights on this journey.
First and foremost, let me tell you, this journey started by taking over a part of work which was being done by several vendors on different applications, and about a team of about 24-25 people which we used to deliver this service under different umbrellas to the Fullerton. One fine day, they all said, let us compile everything together and ask Nutesoft to handle this. We took over the whole team, and from there the journey started, where we started saying that our purpose could not be just doing the status quo, the service as it was. We said that if we are doing it, we are going to improve every time. Every month we have to show some improvement to ourselves, and that is where our value is. So we started that journey. As a first part of it, we looked at the team compositions, we looked at their training, we started improving their work methods. We did a lot of cross training so that there were diversity. There were no two persons or one person sitting with one application and saying, if he's missing, that nothing can be done. So we made sure that there were enough people to handle every application. So that is how the first part of the journey was successful or improvement achieved. Then we went into looking at the change of their motivation. The people merely used to say, I would do my job. From there we said, their mindset has to change, where they say, I would do as much as I can. And beyond that, let me see to it that all the people are able to achieve better and better. So this is what was a very important change that we created. Month after month, we started seeing performance improvements in people. Then we did the next part where we started looking at the change in processes. There was a very important process which we simply dismantled. There was a process in which the tickets that come, they are assigned by somebody to every specific person. And we said, why should there be an assignment? And the ticket should be adding to its turnaround time by just waiting for an assignment. So people started picking up tickets on their own, and things suddenly started giving us better turnaround time. We also made people responsible for the complete cycle. If the ticket has to be referred to somebody else, then that reference and everything has to be completed by the same person, so that the person takes ownership of complete ticket closure. And that is how the improvements is being seen further. Then, of course, the most and simplest thing to do, keep looking at data, keep analyzing data, which was a part of all this journey all through. So all this we did, which took us to a point where we said, yes, we can almost reach the point where we don't need to worry about SLA, but we need to worry about a new target for us now. The new target is to reach a zero error or zero SLA breach, and that is what we talked about. So we achieved this, and as I said, we replicated for 12 months. In fact, the 13th month is not mentioned because we haven't had a review meeting. So until Mr. Vivek Davle's team reviews our performance and says, yes, it is accepted. We cannot say 13 months have passed, but that is not the issue. The issue is we are going to continue this as is. We will not look at the SLA breach. We will make sure that 100% SLA is met, is something which is the mindset in the team. And this is where our achievement is. While I talk about so much about what we did, I need to say this, that this, all that I wanted to say or my team wanted to do could not have been done by themselves. It was done by a very important component, the other end, the Fullerton, the people who were receiving this service. And I must say what we got from them, and a very important point of view we got from them, was open mind. They were very open-minded, they were very frank and clear about, whatever we wanted to say. This is what is our suggestion, we want to do it this way, we want to improve this, we want to shift 2 people from here to our premise, and so on and so forth. All those things, they simply said, accepted, do it. So everything was completely like a free hand to us. And on the other front, in between, there were few people who came across. There might have been all kinds of hard statements, but the fact remains that we had always a very candid but a very constructive feedback between us, a very strong supportive feedback. We all got very good support from Fullerton end. And at the other end, I must say, I have mentioned it to some people here, the attention and inputs for sustained improvement. I was mentioning to somebody, Mr. Vivek Davle, who's our target person in terms of giving this service. Ever since he's there looking after this service, we haven't had a month in which we did not have a review meeting. We had every month a review meeting in which we discussed everything, and not a single meeting in which he missed for whatever reasons. Every time we have had a meeting, every time he has attended. So this is the kind of attention he provided, everybody provided us. So this is how all the environmental support came, and everything was a very supportive environment from Fullerton side. We really enjoyed working for this achievement, and our whole target is not to say that we did it 1 year or 2 years. Now the target is to say, why not we look at SLA to be revised? Why not we look at the turnaround times to be revised? And that is where we leave it. But so much so I have talked about what we did, what we thought we got from Fullerton, but I think it is best that the person who was on the other end talks about what they saw about it. And then I may request Mr. Vivek Davle to come here and share his side of the story. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Arun sir. We started this journey in a very, very simple way. I personally try and approach most of the problems in the simplest way possible. So, first time when we did a review, we saw there were some 2-digit SLA breaches, and we said, no, 2-digit is too high, let's bring it down. I think let's bring it down below 10. Single-digit breaches will look better. So, we saw in over a period of 2 months, it came down to 9. So I was a little greedy. We said, okay, let's take another baby step. Below 5 looks to be a slightly better number. And I don't know why, but Nukesoft agreed. My team was sitting slightly behind, but they also agreed. And in another 2 months, I think we came down below 5. So that is when I became a little more greedy. And I said, let's target 0. So 0, obviously, was a slightly, everybody was aware that it is not a very, very easy target to do. So everybody said if you have to do 0, then we will have to have some minor change in processes. So we implemented some things, very, very simple things like having right FAQs in place. And one of the most important is before the HLA breaches, we should have an alert mail going out to the respective team leader. So, some of these things were implemented. We did not get into, revamping the team, get in some high pedigree college, some guys into the team. Nothing of that sort. We just tried to keep taking those baby steps. we did not invest in any big software or any tool or anything of that sort. I think my team which sits still analyzes half of the data in Excel because that is all that is required. That tool is was sufficient for us. So just with that additional one thing about having an alert mail a few maybe hours before the SLA breach, that helped drastically. And the first month we achieved zero. We said okay good. मैंने बोला टीम ने कुछ करके दिखाया. But then I said नहीं, let's not do it as a one-off case. कुछ तो फ्लूक में कर दिया. बच्चे एक बार थोड़ा जोश में आके something was done. So I said let's repeat this. Because even if I go to ACS CMM level 3, it says consistency is what is very important. So if you have to reach level 5, which is excellence, level 3 is where you need consistency. So we targeted next another 2 months we'll do, so at least we'll have 1 quarter where we have zero breaches. So we just continued the same thing that we did. We kept on improvising on some of these processes, some which are already mentioned by Arun sir. And what we, at least internally, we decided was we'll try and take inputs from the L1 team members, from the ground level team members, because they know what they are facing, why they are not able to achieve something. Everybody gives excuses, right? So they also will come up with excuse, and only thing we tried to do was to try and set up some process by which they will not be able to give that excuse. So I don't know if we made their life miserable, but at least they tried to achieve an SLA breach of zero, or they did not breach any SLAs. So after 3 months, it went on, so we were happy. So, as usual, when we were near the 10th month, I felt, elephant has probably moved out, but the tail is still remaining. And we had one CRM application whose upgrade was due, and another application, another loans management system which was being implemented. So I said, any new system, any system upgrade is going to cause a number of issues. It did bring up a spurt of at least 300, 400, correct me on the numbers team, but at least 300, 400 issues which there was a spike on those 2 months. And so in the earlier month we said next month में ये upgrade होने वाला है boss, let's everybody be on their toes. We have the same team, no additional numbers, no additional help in terms of any this thing. So those 2 months, I think the team worked really hard. So they had to actually put in some additional efforts. So apart from the minor changes about some people working from Chennai or some from New South office or some coming to Fullerton office, I think those were only the minor adjustments that were done, but the team worked really hard those 2 months. And when the 12th month we saw that despite all the upgrade and new applications, we could still achieve the zero. That was really when I personally was happy, though the journey initially it was just a bit of happiness, but when at the end of 12 months we really achieved that, that is when we did a small celebration internally. And then Nukesoft has done this celebration here. So ideally I don't deserve all this, I think the team deserves, so you at least stand up. I want everybody to see all the team leads who are there. So thanks everybody, and thanks team for being with me, for bearing me, for taking all the baby steps when you probably didn't want to, but I forced you to. And so today I think is really a day when it is an honor for you all more than me. I was just a driver sitting and giving some orders, but thanks for following it, and thanks everybody. Thanks sir. So we have a small certificate, and I would like to present this not to the seniors but to the actual person who was there on ground and probably bear most of the brunt of whatever I would say, or whenever there were some not so sweet words that I used to say. So my certificate is to Handing over to Rajshekhar. Thanks. I am not a guy who gives a lot of big speeches, a little bit of introvert, so I just want to close my brief session here. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. So I will make up for Arun and Vivek not giving long speeches. Great pleasure to have everyone here. What we would like to do is, replicate the strategic learnings and the experiences that we had from this milestone to create maybe significant value for the work we do for our other clients on their L1 and L2 support frameworks. In addition to this, Nukesoft has ongoing development on artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions, which we think would be of use to improve and maybe optimize the current business processes that our clients have. As we speak, our first AI solution implementation is underway with a leading housing finance corporation. So hopefully, approximately 2 months from now, we would want to see you again, when we do the beta release of our AI solution. So hope to see this same ground back. AI applications on support, on credit decisioning, on underwriting, on anomaly detection, fraud control, everything. So I would like to thank everyone, and I would also like to call the guys behind all the hard work, Rajshekhar and Sanket Kasalkar. Please come here and let's celebrate with champagne. Let's celebrate.